Hey, Instagram enthusiasts! Welcome to my new tutorial on the SmartAssistant channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to automatically save Instagram stories directly to your device's gallery. Instagram stories are a great way to share moments with your followers, but sometimes you might want to keep those special moments for yourself or review them later. By activating this option, your stories will be automatically saved in the gallery, allowing you easy access to them outside the app. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to do it. So, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app. After that, tap on your profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. When you're on your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Now scroll down and in the Your App and Media section, select Archiving and Downloading. And finally, in the Is Saving to Camera Roll section, tap the switch next to the Is Save Story to Gallery option. Great! That's all for this video, friends. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like it and, of course, subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.